not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, hope to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate, it's pretty.
छुपाने आई है इधर। अब जाओ एक बार आ जाओ अब यहाँ पे देना पड़ेगा। वी हैव टू गिव देम मनी एंड दे विल अलाउ अस। सो टिल हियर यू कैन क्लिक द फोटोज फॉर फ्री। फ्रॉम दिस एरिया यू हैव टू गिव सम मनी, इट मींस 100 रुपीस फॉर देम क्लिकिंग द फोटोज, बट वी विल मेक इट अ टाइम। ये तो राजू बन गया है। this is the first time when we came after the college, and this is the first time that we all came together. And I think we're gonna be doing this once in a month because this feels nice. The change is necessary. That's why we are doing this. Now we are going to the main road by walking, and then we will be going by the bus or the public bus because we have the card of the public bus. That will be easier now. So we'll be catching you. The trip was very nice, and we'll be catching you very soon.